RISCO Group presents Beyond, the next generation of wireless outdoor detectors with dual technology and solar power. The Beyond is the only detector in the market that combines all of these cutting-edge technologies, along with integrated cameras for visual verification. Advanced optical filtering prevents sunlight from blinding the detector. An auxiliary solar panel greatly extends the battery life of the detector. Beyond includes pet-friendly features, so you can let out the dog. Sway recognition technology dismisses natural movement outdoors. The IP65 environmental feature protects against water and dust. Advanced perimeter protection means that intruders are kept out. Beyond is also the perfect solution for remote and industrial sites, with a unique combination of wireless, dual technology, camera and solar power. With round-the-clock protection against vandalism and K-band technology, we've got you covered from every angle. Beyond, the only outdoor detector in the market that combines high-catch performance detection, minimum false alarms, dual technology, wireless communication and visual verification. For more information, feel free to visit our website at riscogroup.com.